Today's video is something every girl with a round face shape absolutely needs in her glow-up toolkit. This is the ultimate, complete, and deeply detailed guide for round-faced girls. From identifying your face shape correctly, to choosing the right hairstyles, haircuts, makeup techniques, accessories, glasses, and even posing tips, this video covers everything. So grab a notebook, because after this video, you'll never have to worry too much about another guide again. Section 1. What actually is a round face? Before we fix anything, we first understand it. A round face shape has 4 major characteristics. 1. Almost equal width and height. Your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline have similar measurements. 2. Soft edges. No sharp jawline, no angular cheekbones, everything blends smoothly. 3. Fuller cheeks. Even when you're slim, your cheeks look naturally youthful and plump. 4. Rounded jaw. Your jaw curves, it doesn't point like a heart face or square like a square face. In short, a round face equals soft, youthful, cute, symmetrical face shape. This face shape is naturally very photogenic, but the goal of styling it is usually to create illusion of length, subtle angles, and defined structure. Section 2. Celebrities with round faces, for inspiration. To make things easier, look at these celebrities, they have round faces and they slay. Selena Gomez, Ray from IVE, Dove Cameron, Emma Stone, Chrissy Teigen, Amrita Rao, Aishwarya Rai. Studying their hairstyles and makeup will give you instant ideas, because they've already mastered what works best for this shape. Section 3. Hairstyle Guide for Round Faces. Round faces benefit from hairstyles that add height, add length, add angles, reduce width, frame the face vertically, not horizontally. 1. Best hair parts. Middle part equals top tier, instantly lengthens the face, balances cheek fullness, adds symmetry and elegance. Works with straight, wavy, or curly hair. Soft side part, not deep, creates angles, great if you want a mature look and also works for school, office, or events. Avoid deep side parts, makes face look too round, zigzag parts, add width. 2. Best hair lengths. Long hair, best option, anything from chest length to waist length, longer length pulls your face downward visually. Avoid blunt ends, go for layers or a V-cut. Medium length, safe. Shoulder length with long layers, add curtain bangs for structure and avoid cutting exactly at the chin. Short hair, tricky but possible. If you love short hair, choose a long bob, should fall below the chin. Add texture and waves to break the roundness. No blunt bob, it will make you look funny. 3. Best haircuts. These haircuts are perfect for round faces. V-cut, U-cut, long layered cut, face framing layers, curtain bangs, long ones, wispy side bangs, wolf cut long version only, and shag cut, but soft. You can take a screenshot of these cut if you want. Avoid blunt bob, chin length cuts, full straight bangs and uniform layers. 4. Best hairstyles. High ponytail plus face framing strands. Adds height, sculpts jawline, makes cheeks look slimmer. It add cuteness, leave some hair strands for a pretty look. Half up half down hairstyle. Creates angles, super cute and feminine. This is one of the easiest and prettiest hairstyle that can go with nearly anything. Low sleek ponytail with middle part. Gives model off-duty vibe, sharpens the face structure and super good, plus time saving. Loose waves. Not too bouncy, not too round. Soft, elongated curls work the best. You don't compulsory need straightener for this. You can simply use a soft silk cloth or t-shirt for this style, they also works well. Braids hairstyle. Keep them long, and make it loose or tight according to you. Add face framing strands. Avoid crown braids, they add width, which doesn't look appealing. Section 4. Bangs Guide, very important for round faces. If you want bangs, pick smartly. Curtain bangs. Must be suitable long enough, below cheekbone, slims the face naturally, adds length in the center. Wispy Korean bangs. Thin, soft, airy and cootie. It gives an aesthetic cute vibe. Don't cover your eyebrows fully. The soft version is great for school looks. Side swept bangs. One of the most famous among Gen Z. Only if they're long and textured. It makes angles that create a perfect Y2K style. I personally like this a lot. Take a look at how good this style actually looks. Type of bangs to avoid. Blunt bangs, thick bangs, straight across short bangs, chin length, mushroom, bangs. Bonus. Just follow this easy steps to get side bangs. You can cut this haircut at home, by yourself. Section 5, Makeup Guide for Round Faces. This is where the magic happens. Makeup can change your face shape instantly. Just know the right steps and see how you steal spotlight. 1. Brows. The best one? Slight arch brows. Thin to medium thickness, longer tail. Avoid round brows and straight flat brows unless you want a soft look, your choice. Brows define the entire balance of a round face. 2. Contour and highlight. Your best friend for structure. Underrated tip. Contour vertically for round face, it makes clear difference. Use the moon contour method to create a visual of a more symmetrical feature. This hack is used by many idols. There are lots of tutorial online for nose contour, you can choose one. Or you can also do the basic one which can be done by beginners too. Highlight these areas: nose bridge, nose tip, chin, around eyes and upper cheekbones. Highlight can completely enhance your makeup and face card. 3. Blush placement. Most round-faced people do wrong blush placement. Instead of apples of the cheeks, apply blush on the upper part of the cheek, nose tip, side of the nose, upper lip, chin and around eyes or under eyes. Then blend it smoothly with your finger or brush. Avoid round blush, centered blush, too low blush. This small change completely changes your face shape. 4. Lips. To balance a round face, overline center only, not full perimeter. Use concealer for a better lip effect. You can also do glossy center to elongate. Soft ombre effect looks amazing. Avoid too dark lip liners, instead use a light lip liners and then your favorite lipstick, 90s contrast. Section 6, Accessories Guide. 1. Best earrings. Long dangly earrings, vertical designs, geometric shapes, slim hoops, rectangular drops. Avoid large round hoops, big round studs and button earrings. 2. Best necklaces. Y-shaped necklaces, long chain, small pendants or layered delicate chains. Avoid chokers, thick short necklaces and wide chunky pieces. 3. Best glasses frames. This is extremely important. Choose glasses with rectangle shape, cat eye shape, slightly angular frames, wider than your face or thin metal rims. Avoid round glasses, small circular frames, thick plastic rounded frames. Section 7, Posing Tips for Photos, Game Changer. To make your face look more sculpted in pictures, angle your face slightly, chin slightly down, avoid smiling too wide, stretch your neck subtly, keep hair in front of one side, add layers of hair framing the sides. Best poses: 3/4 angle plus soft smile, looking down at camera with hand covering cheek, hand near jewelry pose, soft pout with middle part hair. Section 8, Clothing Tips for Round Faces. Your outfits can affect how your face looks. Choose V-necks, square necklines, deep scoop necks, wrap tops, long vertical designs, monochrome fits. Avoid high necks, turtlenecks, round collars, busy shoulder details. Section 9, Glow-up tips specific for round faces. These are subtle but powerful. 1. Keep your hair longer. It's the easiest way to elongate your face. Long hair looks super attractive on round faces. 2. Jawline massages. Do gentle gua sha or facial massages regularly, helps with definition and symmetry. 3. Pillows. Sleep on a slightly higher pillow to avoid water retention in the cheeks. 4. Reduce salt before events. Helps reduce puffiness for photos. Section 10. Summary, fast recap. Choose long layered hair, middle part is your best friend. Use face framing strands, use angled brows. Place blush higher, contour correctly. Wear vertical accessories, avoid round glasses. Pose at angles. With these tips, your face shape becomes a beautiful balance of soft plus structured. And that's it, your complete, high-quality, next-level guide for round-faced girlies. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe because I try my best to post beauty and glow-up guides on this channel. Comment below your face shape, and I'll try to make a video on it too. Thanks for watching, stay glowing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.